Hello everyone, welcome to our next video. Today we will be discussing the practice questions of block 3. Okay, we have already done block 4, but you have not done the practice questions of block 3. There were some questions left. So we will discuss and you should open your book and notebook and do it. Okay, so let's start. So look here, your lesson 1, lesson 2 and lesson 3 you can do on your own. Your Achal ma'am has discussed this with you. Now we will be doing lesson 4. Okay? So let's do it. In lesson 4, we will read the first question. So everyone please open page number 17. As you can see here, page number 17. Question number 1. So page number 17, question number 1 says, fill in the blanks. 10 less than 46. So what is 10 less than 46? We learned how to subtract mentally, right? In block 3. So how will you mentally do this? 10 less than 46 will be what? You got the answer. It will be when there are 46, when you have 46 and you should do 10 less than that. So what is 10? 1 tens. So in 46, how many tens are there? 4 tens. From that you should take away 1 tens. So you will get 3 tens and 6 ones. So you will get 36. Okay, so please note it down everyone. Note down in your notebooks. Now similarly, you can do question number B and C. Question number B and C, I will not be telling you the answers. आपको खुद से करना है, okay? So next one is 89 minus 2 tens. So what is 2 tens? 2 tens means 20. So 89 minus 2 tens means 220. You should subtract 2 tens from 89. In 89 there are how many tens? 8 tens. And you should remove how many tens? 2 tens. So what will you get? You should write it there. Okay. Remember, you should remove only tens. You should not remove any ones from there. You should remove only tens. Now question number C. 4 tens less than 78. 4 tens less than 78. So here it is given 78. In 78, how many tens are there? 7 tens. And how many tens you should do less? 4 tens less. So from 7 tens you should remove 4 tens. Okay. So how many tens will be left? Got it? And ones. Remember ones कितने हैं यहाँ पे 78 में 8 ones है. तो ones हम लोग नहीं remove कर रहे. तो ones उतने ही रहेंगे. Remember, don't remove the ones. You should only remove the tens, and you will get the answer. So let's move on to the next one. Question number 2. Find the difference. Circle the correct answer in each subtraction. So here you are given this question. I will tell you question number D here. All the rest of the questions A, B and C you should do it on your own. Okay, in your notebooks. Now what is here given? 92 minus 42. So we should do it mentally because we have learned how to do mentally. So here look at the ones. What are the ones? Here the ones are same. Okay. So 1, 2 ones. There are how many ones in 92? 2 ones. And in 42 again there are 2 ones. So from 2 ones you should remove 2 ones. So how many ones will be there? 0 ones, because you have 2 ones in 92 and you should remove 2 ones. Why you should remove 2 ones? Because 42 में भी ones कितने हैं? 2 है. तो 2 ones में से 2 ones remove कर दोगे तो कितने ones बचेंगे? 0 ones. तो आपके ones place में क्या रहेगा? 0. Okay. Now let's come to the tens. How many tens are here in 92? 9. And in 42, how many tens are there? 4. So from 9 tens, do it mentally. Okay. 9 tens, you should remove 4 tens. So how many tens are left? 5 tens. So how many tens? 5 tens. 5 tens and 0 ones will give you 50. And what you should do in the question, they are saying circle the correct answer. So here there are 3 options given: 50, 52 and 60. But what is the correct one? 50. So circle the correct one. Okay. This is how you should do in question number A, B and C also. So do it and send me your homeworks. Now let's move to the last one. Question number 3. Kavya subtracted 37 from 82. Now Kavya is just like you. उसको भी mental subtraction आता है, उसको teacher ने सिखाया है. लेकिन जब उसने subtract किया, what did she do? She has 82. Okay. 8 tens and 2 ones. अब उसमें से उसने कितना subtract किया? 37. So after subtracting 37 from 82, she got what? She got 55. So now they are asking, is this correct? क्या काव्या ने जो किया है वो correct है? If not, write the correct answer. अगर काव्या ने जो किया है वो correct है तो very good. लेकिन अगर नहीं correct किया है, so who should tell Kavya the right answer? You should tell her the right answer. Okay? So just do this calculation mentally. 82 में से क्या subtract करना है आपको? 37. Do it mentally. How many? How many? So 82 में से 37 subtract करना है. So first, how many ones are here? There are 2 ones. And how many ones are here? There are 7 ones. 2 ones में से 7 ones हम लोग कैसे निकालेंगे? Ones तो हमारे पास सिर्फ 2 है, उसमें से 7 कैसे निकालेंगे? Right? So हमारे पास सिर्फ 2 है. We can't take out 7. तो 2 को हमें बड़ा करना होगा. तो 2 क्या करेगा? Borrow लेगा किससे? 8 से. तो 8 उसको 1 tens दे देगा. तो 8 के पास कितना बचेगा? 7 बचेगा. और 2 क्या बन जाएगा? 12. अब हमारे पास कितने वंस है? 12 वंस. अब 12 वंस में से हमें कितने वंस रिमूव करने हैं? 7 वंस रिमूव करेंगे. तो 12 वंस में से 7 वंस रिमूव करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? Good. We will get 5. Now, up we will remove tens. Okay. So how many tens we have here? यहाँ पे कितने tens बचे? पहले 8 tens थे, लेकिन 8 ने 2 को borrow दे दिया. 2 को loan चाहिए था ना. 2 तो छोटा था 7 से, तो it cannot. अब यहाँ पे बचा हमारे पास 7 tens और यहाँ पे है 3 tens. Now 7 tens में से जब आप 3 tens remove करोगे, so how many tens will be left? You got it? 7 minus 3 is 4 tens. But here what is given? Here it is given 5 tens and 5 ones. So did Kavya get the correct answer? Now you got it? So Kavya did not do the correct answer. She should get the answer as 45, but she got the answer as 55. Okay? So similarly, you should do the next question. Next question, I will not tell you the answer. I will just explain you the question. So here there is a boy, Manjot. Okay? Manjot's father bought 1 kg of potatoes. You know potato? He gave shopkeeper a ₹50 note. Okay, so when Manjot's father bought 1 kg of potato, how much money did he give to the shopkeeper? 1 note of 50 rupees. Means how much did he give? He gave him 50 rupees. Okay. The shopkeeper gave him ₹12 as change. अब shopkeeper ने उसको कितना return किया Manjot के father को? ₹12. When Manjot's father, suppose I am Manjot's father, so Manjot's father gave to the shopkeeper 50 rupees. Now shopkeeper gave back to Manjot's father how many rupees? 12 rupees. So what is the cost of 1 kg of potatoes? अब आपको बताना है कि जब Manjot के father ने 50 rupees दिए, उनको 12 rupees return हुए, then 1 kg of potatoes का cost क्या है? Okay, so what will you do here? You will do subtraction. And how will you subtract? Mentally. So do the subtraction. 50 minus 12. ओके आप भी कभी कभी शॉप जाते होंगे मम्मा के साथ या फिर आप अकेले भी जाते होंगे। अगर मम्मा ने आपको दिए 10 रुपीज, ओके आपको मम्मा ने स्केल आपको स्केल चाहिए था, ओके योर मॉम गिव यू 10 रुपीज, तो आपने शॉपकीपर को 10 रुपीज दिए। अब शॉपकीपर ने आपको 3 रुपीज रिटर्न कर दी, 3 रुपीज रिटर्न कर दी, तो स्केल का प्राइस क्या होगा आप पता कर सकते हो ना। जब आपने 10 रुपीज दिए, शॉपकीपर ने 3 रुपीज रिटर्न किए, सो यू विल नो व्हाट इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ स्केल। वैसे ही मनजोत के फादर ने पोटैटोस खरीदे, उसने 50 दिए और रिटर्न उनको मिले 12, so you should tell what is the cost of potatoes, okay now let's move to additional questions, okay so additional questions, this one, this is in page number 18, so please open page number 18 and now we will do additional practice. This also we will do in the same way, मैं आपको एक दो questions बताऊंगी और बाकी आपको खुद से करने हैं, okay look at the first question, count forward by 5 and count backwards by 7 for each number, okay so for the first number you should count forward by 5 means after 8. So I will tell you, let's take question number C. Question number C, it is given 15. So how much forward should we count? We should count forward by 5. So now here the number is 15. When you count forward by 5, so first forward will be 16, then second 17, then 18, then 19 and then 20. So when you counted forward by 5, what number did you get? 20. Okay. So 15 counting forward by 5 gives 20. Now there is one more question. You should count backward by 7. Forward to count कर लिया, अब आपको backward भी count करना है. So counting backward by 7 gives, what does it give? Now you are at 15. 15 के backward जाओ तो what will you get? 1 backward you will get 14. So 7 backward we should move. Let's count. 1 backward we got 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So what is the answer? 8. So when we count 7 backwards, we got 8. 15 is the number. 15 के backward कितना जाना है आपको? 7 steps. Okay. So this is how you should do question number A and B also. Okay. Let's move to next question. Question number 2. So here it is given, write whether true or false. True or false आपको लिखना है, मतलब ये जो बोल रहा है अगर ये सही बोल रहा है तो it is true. If it is saying something wrong, then it is false. So I will do question number C और A, B और D आप लोग खुद से करेंगे. Okay. So question number C is saying 61 minus 6. Okay, so 61 minus 6 will be how much? So 61 में से आपको 6 minus करना है, तो कितना आ रहा है आपको? 61 has how many ones? How many ones are here? There is 1 ones. And how many ones are here? There are 6 ones. How many tens are here? There are 6 tens. And यहाँ पे कोई tens है? No. So let's first do with ones. Here there is 1 ones. Here there are 6 ones. 1 ones में से हमें 6 ones remove करना है, तो क्या हम लोग remove कर सकते हैं? Because हमारे पास सिर्फ 1 ones है, हम लोग 6 ones तो इसमें से remove नहीं कर सकते. So 1 ones क्या करेगा? Borrow करेगा. किससे borrow करेगा? 1 ones के बाजू में क्या है ये देखिए, 6 tens. तो 6 tens इसको अपना 1 tens दे देगा. तो 6 tens कितने बन जाएंगे? कितने tens हो जाएंगे? 5 tens. अब 1 10 उसने 1 को दे दिया, तो 1 ऑलरेडी है, उसमें टेंस और हम लोग कर देंगे तो कितना बन जाएगा? 1 बन जाएगा 11. So now how many ones we have? We have 11 ones. 11 ones में से कितने ones remove करने हैं हमें? 6 ones. So 11 ones में से 6 ones अगर हम लोग remove कर देंगे, so how many ones will be left? 5 ones. Okay, so we will have 5 ones. अब बचे tens. So let's look at the tens place. So here how many tens are here? यहाँ 6 ने 1 को बोरो दे दिया था, तो कितने टेंस बचे थे? 5 टेंस बचे थे, और यहाँ पे कोई टेंस नहीं है, तो ओवरऑल कितने टेंस बचे? 5 टेंस एंड 5 वंस. बट यहाँ क्या दिया गया है? इज इट गिवन द राइट थिंग हियर? यहाँ पे कितने टेंस दिए गए? 5 टेंस एंड 6 वंस, बट हमारा आंसर क्या है? 5 टेंस एंड 5 वंस. सो इज इट करेक्ट? No. So if it is not correct, we should write false. So here the answer is false. So we will write here, छोटू सा लिखेंगे आप लोग, false. Okay. The answer of question number C is false. Now let's move to question number 3. Fill in the boxes. So आपको boxes में बताना है कि कौन सा नंबर आएगा. So here there are how many ones are here? 1 ones. और यहाँ पे कितने ones है? कुछ नहीं दिया गया, तो empty box है, हमें box में ही भरना है कौन सा नंबर. ओके, यहाँ पे कितने tens है? 6 tens. और यहाँ पे कितने tens है? 1 tens. Sorry, 5 tens and 1 tens. Now look here, equal to 63. 63 में how many tens are here? 6 tens and 3 ones. So 5 tens plus 1 tens will give you how many tens? 6 tens. तो यहाँ पे 6 दिया गया, it is correct. Now here how many ones are here? 3 ones. यहाँ पे ones कितने नहीं पता, यहाँ पे कितने ones दिए गए? 3 ones. तो now just imagine mentally कि आपके पास 53 में है 3 ones. 3 ones में आप लोग ऐसा क्या ऐड करोगे जो आपको फिर से 3 ones आ जाए? 3 ones में और कितने ones डालोगे जो आपको वापस फिर से कितने ones आने हैं? 3 ones. तो 3 ones में अगर हम लोग 1 1 ऐड करेंगे तो कितने ones आएंगे? 4 ones. अगर 3 ones में 2 ones ऐड करेंगे तो कितने ones आएंगे? 5 ones. बट हमें 4 और 5 नहीं चाहिए, हमें 3 ones ही चाहिए. तो 3 ones में कितने ones ऐड करेंगे? 0 ones. So the number here will be 0. So we've got the box. The box is saying there is 0. अब आप लोग चेक करके देखिए सही किया है कि नहीं. So 53 plus 10 is 63. Yes, 53 plus 10 is 63. So we got the correct answer. So same in this way you should do question number B. But question number B में क्या है? Subtraction है. Okay. So you can do it. I know. आप लोग कैसे करेंगे आप लोग को पता है ना? Good. Now question number 4. A part of hundreds chart is shown. Fill in the missing numbers. अब इसमें भी आपको missing numbers fill करने हैं. So let's do question number C here. Now here there are 4 directions. 79 के ऊपर कुछ दिया गया है, नीचे भी दिया गया है, राइट में भी दिया गया है और लेफ्ट में भी. तो ये सारे बॉक्सेस आपको फिल करने हैं. ओके, सो लेट्स मूव टू द राइट साइड ब्लॉक. राइट साइड ब्लॉक में क्या बोल रहा है? 1 more. 79 में 1 more कर देंगे तो क्या आएगा? You got it? You will get 80. 1 more than 79 is 80. Okay. Now look at the left side. 1 less. 79 से 1 less क्या होता है? 78. So we got here 78. Now look at the number at the up above 79 is 10 less. So 10 less than 79 is how much? 69. Okay, I'll write neatly 69. 9. Now look at the number below. What is it asking? 79 से आपको 10 more बताना है. So 10 more than 79 is 89, right? So we will write 89. So आपका ये पूरा बॉक्स फिल हो गया. 69, 79, 89, 78, 79, 80. Same in this way you should do box A and box B. If you have any doubt, you can mail me, okay? Or you can send on Google Classroom also. Okay, I have sent you the Google Classroom code. So now you can send your homeworks on Google Classroom. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 5. So question number 5 is, a part of hundreds chart is shown. Fill in the missing numbers in each part of the chart. Write addition sentence for each part. Okay. So here you all know when we move down, we get 10 more. When we move down, we get 10 more. When we move right, we get 1 more. When we move left, we get 1 less. And when we move up, we get 10 less. This is how this thing says. The same way we should do here. Okay. So this is 75 and we are moving down. जो कि boxes कहाँ दिए गए नीचे down. So moving down, we will get 10 more. So 10 more than 75 is how much? So here we'll get 85. And next is 10 more again. So we will get 95. This is the hundreds chart, right? Now when we are moving towards the right side, we are moving here right side. So we will get 1 more in each step. So 95 and 1 more will be 96. And then it will be 97. And then 98. And then 99. Okay. So this is how you should do in question number B and question number A. So let's move to the next question. This is very interesting, you know. See, here what you should do is, you should subtract the numbers and write the differences in the table. First subtract this number and write the differences. And आपको फिर उसका alphabet पहचानना है, letter code और फिर letter लिखना है. So here 13 minus 3 is how much? 13 minus 3 is 10. And what is the 10th alphabet? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. So what is the 10th one? J. So we will write J here. The first word is J. Now 42 minus 6. 42 minus 6 is what? 36. So what is 36th alphabet? Okay, so here everyone, let's do this question again. This question we should do based on this table. Don't count the numbers. We should look at the table. I did not look at this table, sorry. So now look at this table and we will count. So 13 minus 3 is how much? 10. So what is 10 here? 10 is what? G. So we will write G. Now 42 minus 36 is how much? Sorry, 42 minus 6 is how much? 36. So which is 36 here? 36 is R. So we will write R. Now 57 minus 8. 57 minus 8 is how much? 49. Good. So 49 is what here? 49 is E. So we will write E. Now next, 83 minus 4. 83 minus 4 is how much? 79. So 79 is what here? A. So we will write A. And last, 96 minus 9. So 96 minus 9 is 87. So 8 here and 7 here, 87. What is 87 here? T. So what is the word we got? G-R-E-A-T. Great. Okay. Great. You got the answer. Now last two questions. There are 46 pebbles in one box and 52 pebbles in another box. How many pebbles are there in both the boxes? So what will you do here? You will add. So you will add 52 and 46. 46 in one box and 52 in another box. Add them. What will you get? Write it there. Okay. Now last question. In a race, the rabbit runs 73 steps and goes to sleep. The rabbit is running and it ran how many steps? 73 steps. After going 73 steps, it slept. The tortoise is on the 14th step. Tortoise is on which step? 14th step. How many more steps does the tortoise need to take to reach the rabbit? अब tortoise कौन से step में? 14th step. उसको rabbit तक पहुंचना है और rabbit कौन से step में? 73 step में. तो tortoise को rabbit तक पहुंचने के लिए कितने steps और लेने पड़ेंगे? What will you do? You will count from 14. You will start counting till you reach 73. या तो आप ऐसे कर सकते हैं. Otherwise, you can do one very simple thing. 73 minus 14. So you will get. तो कोई भी तरीका आप कर सकते हैं. इधर आप 14 से स्टार्ट होते 73 तक काउंट करिए. एंड हाउ विल यू काउंट लाइक दैट? यूजिंग द 100 स्टार्ट. या तो आप लोग एक और चीज कर सकते हैं कि 73 minus 14. ओके. So everyone, please do these questions in your notebook. Click the picture and you can either send me on Gmail. अगर आपको Gmail easy लग रहा है तो आप लोग Gmail में send कर सकते हैं. Or you can send me in Google Classroom. Google Classroom का कोड मैंने आपको भेजा है आपके WhatsApp group में. So please share your homework. So bye bye. See you in the next video.